In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new customer in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill in, so you can start invoicing and tracking payments for a new client right away. Start on the dashboard in Zoho Books. This is your home base, where you can see an overview of your finances. From here, look to the left side panel. That's where all the core modules live. We're going to work inside the sales area, because customers are managed there. Click Sales on the left menu to expand its options. When it opens, choose Customers. This takes you to your customer list, where you can browse existing records, filter by status, or search if you're checking whether someone is already in your system. It's always a good idea to glance quickly to avoid duplicates. Consistent naming saves you cleanup later. To add someone new, click the New button. You'll open a fresh customer form. This is where you'll enter the details that help Zoho Books populate invoices, addresses, and taxes correctly. Fill in the required fields first. They're usually marked with an asterisk. The display name is what will appear on invoices and reports, so keep it clear and consistent with how you want the customer referenced. If you have both a company name and a primary contact, you can include the organization name and a separate contact person as needed. Add the email you'll use for sending estimates and invoices, and include a reliable billing address. If the shipping address is different, make sure to enter that too, so delivery documents and taxes calculate correctly. Choose the appropriate currency for this customer if you work with multiple currencies, and review the tax treatment or tax exemption status based on your region's rules. If your organization uses payment terms like Net 15 or Net 30, select the default terms here, so due dates are automatic on every invoice. You can also add a phone number, website, or any internal notes that will help your team, and complete any custom fields your organization has set up. Before saving, take a moment to double-check spelling and numbers. Getting these details right now prevents issues down the line. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will create the customer and take you back to the list. You should now see the new customer ready for use in estimates, invoices, and payments. If you have more customers to add, you can repeat the same process. And remember, you can always edit a customer later if something changes. That's it. Your new customer is set up and ready to go in Zoho Books.